Show Grandpa. Grandpa, we're in the laundry room, but Jake has a secret room to show you. Whoa. I think Aunt Joy's busy, honey. Open the door to show Grandpa. Open the door to show Grandpa. Grandpa, what do you think is behind this secret door? What is it, Jake?
Wood.
Wood. It's the woodshed. Go on out. Show Grandpa how you can get out. Show Grandpa how you can get out. Look at that, Grandpa. We can crawl right outside to get some wood. We're in the woodshed.
Mommy, come on.
It's covered. So in the dead of winter,
Mommy, go on in.
Okay, come on. Say bye to Grandpa.
Good.
Tell him you love him.
I love you. Come on in, Mom.